Ever wondered what truly fuels a racehorse's lightning-fast speed? From cutting-edge training techniques to expert jockey maneuvers, every detail plays a role in transforming these powerful athletes into speed machines. Dive in as we uncover the fascinating science behind how horses reach their peak potential on the racetrack. At number 1, we dive into the foundation of horse speed: genetics and selective breeding. The quest to breed the fastest racehorses starts at the cellular level, focusing on genes that directly influence speed. A standout example is the myostatin gene, where horses with 2 copies of the C variant are typically stronger sprinters, while those with the T variant excel in endurance races. Thoroughbreds and quarter horses are selectively bred for specific traits like powerful muscle composition and cardiovascular efficiency, crucial for race performance. Inherited speed is also paramount, with breeders choosing lineage based on top speed records to ensure each generation gets faster. Genetics extends to unique attributes across breeds. Thoroughbreds are lean with long legs, ideal for longer distances, while quarter horses have muscular hindquarters that support powerful acceleration. Arabians, known for endurance rather than sheer speed, have genetic advantages that suit long-distance and rugged races. Genetic markers also help predict a horse's racing style, influencing whether they are better at sprinting or maintaining speed over a long haul. Selective breeding reveals the intricate science and strategy behind creating some of the fastest athletes on the planet, where genes lay the groundwork for champions. Next, at number 2, we explore the biomechanics of horse speed, factors that make each stride matter in achieving record-breaking times. Stride length and stride frequency are 2 key elements determining how fast a horse can run, with stride length covering the distance per step and stride frequency dictating steps per minute. Longer strides allow horses to cover ground more quickly, influenced by their build, muscle composition, and flexibility. Meanwhile, stride frequency relies on rapid leg movement, demanding both strength and endurance, as maintaining high frequency is no easy feat. The powerful push from strong hindquarters adds propulsion to each stride, maximizing the speed generated. A horse's conformation, such as the length and angle of its legs, contributes significantly to these mechanics. Conditioning and training further fine-tune stride efficiency, allowing horses to reach their top potential. Trainers and breeders carefully monitor these biomechanics, enhancing speed with specific exercises and techniques. This combination of natural ability and targeted training unlocks a horse's peak performance, demonstrating how stride mechanics translate to speed on the racetrack. Is your horse suffering from arthritis, tendon, or ligament pain? Our portable cold laser therapy relieves pain and boosts recovery with red light and electrical stimulation, improving blood circulation and muscle performance. Don't waste time or money on frequent vet visits. Click the link below to discover more and give your horse the best care today. At number 3, we explore the fascinating role of aerodynamics in boosting horse speed. Though less obvious than muscle power or stride mechanics, aerodynamics, specifically drag, affects how efficiently a horse cuts through the air. As horses accelerate, they encounter air resistance, which can subtly slow them down, especially at high speeds. A streamlined physique with a tucked head and neck minimizes this drag, allowing horses to slice through the air with less resistance. A horse's body posture also impacts aerodynamics, as a well-aligned, compact form reduces wind resistance and keeps momentum steady. Recent innovations in racing tack and equipment have focused on reducing drag even further. For instance, lightweight saddles, fitted helmets, and specially designed horseshoes aim to improve airflow around the horse's body. These aerodynamic advancements create small but meaningful gains in speed, especially in tightly contested races where milliseconds matter. Although aerodynamics may not be the first thing that comes to mind when analyzing speed, the science of reducing drag plays an important role in pushing horses toward their top racing performance. Number 4, we look deeper into a horse's internal systems, with muscle and cardiovascular physiology forming the core of its speed capabilities. Muscles act as the horse's engine, converting chemical energy into mechanical movement. Muscle fiber composition plays a critical role, with fast-twitch fibers providing explosive power for short bursts and sprinting, while slow-twitch fibers support stamina and endurance over longer distances. Horses like quarter horses excel in short races thanks to a high proportion of fast-twitch fibers, whereas endurance breeds like Arabians possess more slow-twitch fibers. The exact muscle makeup influences each breed's racing style, underscoring the importance of fiber type in overall speed. Training and conditioning programs can enhance these muscle properties, growing the fibers in size and efficiency. By targeting muscle composition, trainers can develop speed and stamina, refining a horse's athleticism to meet specific racing demands. The physiological design of muscles within each breed is crucial, blending genetics and training to support horses' exceptional performance on the racetrack. At number 5, we explore the cardiovascular system's role in fueling the muscular power needed for top racing speeds. This system ensures a constant flow of oxygen-rich blood and nutrients to the working muscles, essential for sustaining speed. A racehorse's heart and lungs work in tandem, with the heart pumping blood and the lungs exchanging oxygen for carbon dioxide. During intense exertion, these organs work harder, allowing for rapid oxygen delivery to muscles. Thoroughbreds, known for their powerful hearts, exhibit stamina suited for long-distance racing, while other breeds display varying cardiovascular capacities. Environmental factors such as altitude and temperature can also impact this system, as higher altitudes reduce oxygen availability and hot climates add stress by raising core temperatures. This cardiovascular adaptation, developed through selective breeding and conditioning, forms the critical support for the explosive muscle power horses exhibit. At number 6, we have training and technology. While genetics provide the groundwork for a racehorse's speed, modern training techniques and technological innovations unlock and maximize this potential. Training methods like interval training, which alternates bursts of intense activity with periods of rest, enhance cardiovascular fitness and endurance, pushing horses to sustain their top speeds for longer periods. Additionally, strength conditioning through hill work, swimming, and treadmill workouts targets muscle growth, strength, and agility. Injury prevention is another essential part of advanced training, where careful conditioning and thorough warm-ups reduce risks, ensuring peak performance over time. The role of technology is equally transformative. Heart rate monitors allow trainers to track exertion levels and make real-time adjustments, while GPS trackers provide data on speed, distance, and stride, identifying areas for improvement. Emerging technologies, including 3D motion analysis, are now also being used to delve into biomechanics, helping trainers optimize every aspect of a horse's movement and progress. These advancements combine to create a tailored, data-driven approach to training, where each element serves to bring a horse closer to its top potential speed. At number 7, we see the rider's role. A skilled jockey does far more than ride. They are instrumental in unlocking a horse's maximum speed and agility. The rider's weight directly influences performance, as a lighter load allows the horse to maintain a longer stride and quicker pace. Yet it's the balance that truly sets apart elite riders. They must remain perfectly centered and stable, enhancing the horse's rhythm and enabling it to sustain momentum. Proper balance minimizes disruptions, especially during turns, keeping the horse at peak efficiency. Communication is equally crucial, as riders must use precise cues, subtle leg pressure, shifts in weight, and rein adjustments to guide the horse without hesitation. These cues, combined with mutual understanding between horse and rider, create a seamless connection, essential for fluid, high-speed movement. Experience plays a vital role, with expert riders able to read a race's demands and make split-second decisions that help their mount maintain speed and control. Adaptability and mental rapport also boost confidence, fostering a bond where the horse races with trust, responding effortlessly to the rider's guidance. This unique relationship between horse and rider exemplifies how teamwork amplifies speed and success on the track. At number 8, we explore nutrition and energy metabolism. The foundation of speed lies not just in physical capabilities, but also in what fuels a racehorse's body. Proper nutrition is paramount for sustaining the energy demands of racing, particularly as the intense exertion requires a balanced diet of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Carbohydrates, the primary fuel source, provide readily available energy crucial for quick bursts and sprints, while high-quality forage and grains supplement these needs. For endurance, fats are key, providing sustained energy that ensures a horse can maintain speed across longer distances without tiring prematurely. Protein, though secondary in energy, supports muscle repair and growth, vital for maintaining and strengthening the muscle tissue that drives speed. Beyond macronutrients, essential vitamins and minerals regulate muscle contractions and oxygen delivery, crucial for overall performance and recovery. Hydration is equally important. Water aids in temperature regulation and nutrient transport, directly impacting endurance and efficiency. Particularly during intense exertion or hot climates, electrolytes help sustain performance, preventing dehydration that can reduce stamina. By providing a tailored, nutrient-rich diet and consulting an equine nutritionist, owners ensure their horses are not just healthy, but optimized for peak speed and resilience on the track. And there you have it, the fascinating science behind what makes racehorses such incredible athletes. Which factor do you think plays the biggest role in a horse's speed? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of horse racing.